The future role of robots, a game-changing revolution. The world of technology is advancing at a lightning-fast pace, and it's no secret that robots are going to play a significant role in shaping our future. From manufacturing plants to hospitals, robots are already making their presence felt in various industries, but their impact is only going to grow in the coming years. Just imagine a future where robots can perform tasks that were once thought impossible for machines to do. From performing complex surgeries to exploring new frontiers in space, the possibilities are endless. But what exactly is the future role of robots, and how will they change our lives? One of the most significant advantages of robots is their ability to perform tasks with precision and efficiency that is beyond human capabilities. For example, robots in manufacturing plants can work around the clock without stopping, reducing the need for human labor. This not only increases productivity, but also improves the overall quality of the products being produced. In addition to manufacturing, robots are also making their mark in the healthcare industry. From assisting in surgeries to monitoring patients, robots are helping medical professionals provide better care to patients. They can perform complex procedures with minimal invasiveness, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. Another exciting development in the field of robotics is the advent of autonomous robots. These robots can perform tasks without the need for human intervention. From driving cars to exploring new worlds, autonomous robots are revolutionizing the way we live and work. However, the increasing use of robots raises some important ethical questions. For example, what happens to the jobs of human workers when robots take over their tasks? It's a valid concern, but it's important to remember that robots can also create new job opportunities, particularly in the fields of robotics and artificial intelligence. In conclusion, the future role of robots is going to be game-changing. From improving productivity to revolutionizing the way we live and work, robots are going to have a profound impact on our lives. It's an exciting time to be alive and witness the evolution of technology and the role that robots will play in shaping our future.